Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the methods of solving the system of two equations in it. And we can do this by using an example. First, I have example like a system with two unknowns in it. It's x plus 2y equal 10. And the second one is 3x plus y equal to 20. So we can solving this system equation by using substitution. This is our method 1. So this is first one. So from the first equation we can find x equals 10 minus 2y. Alright, so how do we do that? Basically, we just minus 2y in both sides of this equation. So on the left side, we have plus 2y and minus 2y, so they cancel out. And on the right hand side, we just have 10 minus 2y. So then, we can do this by substitute the x equal to the second equation, right here. So we have 3x, which in this case, we have 10 minus 2y, parenthesis, and then plus y. On the right hand side, we didn't change anything, so we still get 20. Alright, then we can factor it out. We get 3 times 10 minus 3 times 2y plus y equal to 20. So now we have 30 minus 6y plus y equal to 20. Now we can simplify it a bit more because we have two terms that contains y. Then we combine them. So we got 30 minus 5y equal 20. So now we can minus 30 on both sides of the equation. We get minus 5y left on the left side, and we have 20 minus 30 equals negative 10. Then we can divide by negative 5 on both sides of the equation. We get y equals to 2. So yeah, we find y. But we're not really done yet because that's just the one of the variables unknown that's in this equation. Now this system of two equations. So a new page. Let's back up a little. Alright, so we get y equals to 2, and the only thing I need to do is basically substitute the y equal to 2 into this, what we found earlier, with x equals 10 minus 2y. So we have right here x, write it again, x equals to 10 minus 2y, and y equal to 2, which you already found, times 2 and equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. So x equals 6. Here we go. So basically we solve this system with two equations in it by using substitution. And the second method I'm going to talk about, we're using the same example, but we can use another way to solve it. So the equation is x plus 2y equals 10, and 3x plus y equal to 20. So now we have, first we can observe, basically you are supposed to cancel one of the variables by using one equation minus the other. Basically. So first, you can see, let's cancel y, okay? So first, in the first equation, we have 2y right here. And the second equation, we only have 1y. Therefore, if we times the second equation with 2 on both sides, then we have a 2y right here. Then we can use equation 1 minus equation 2, so the y will just disappear. All we left is x. Okay, so let's get started. So the first equation, we just don't change it. This method, we just look at the whole system as a whole. Okay. The second one, we times the 2 on both sides of the equation. So we get 6x plus 2y, okay, equals to 20 times 2 equals 40. Okay, don't forget you have to times the 2 on right hand side as well, not only the left side. Okay, so now we see we have a 2y, okay, in the first equation and the second equation, which is nice because we can use the whole first equation minus the second one. Okay, we have x minus 6x, okay, and plus, okay, basically the 2y minus 2y, which we cancel out, and that's exactly what we want. And on the right hand side, we have 10 minus 40. Okay, so on the left side, we can see we get negative 5x. On the right hand side, we have negative 30. Therefore, our x equals to 6. Okay, and that's exactly what we got, okay, when we look back at this. Okay, sorry, I touched the screen. Okay, it's negative 5 there. Yeah. So see, we use two different methods and we find the same x value. That means basically you can do this question by using either method. Okay. Of course, we're not done yet because we only have x found. When you try to find y, you can use two ways as well. Okay. You can either cancel the x in those two equations by times a 3 for the first equation, or you can just use a substitution. Put x equal to 6 into either of the equation and solve y. And then you can surprisingly find y equal to 2. Okay, that's what we want, right? Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye.